Large scale or small scale, yellow or dark lens glasses, beside the moons and in the space that does not deceive is the true color of space. Look at your moon tonight and look at the space around it. It'd be so much better if there be a few clouds or the mist that arises from the collectible moons. What I want to show you right now is something very small to what I will be doing much on a larger scale, which will be interesting because it includes shapes, colors, and numbers. And I'm going to show you very, very small what happens to one of our favorite numbers, number 13 and number 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 13, 26, 39. 39 and 20 is 59 and creates E-I-E-I-O. The sun comes out in the morning and moves the oceans, and here's the way the letters go. Orange, I will not do, it says orange angel or the golden angel. Orange is the 5 ball and the 13 ball in pool. The letters create M, 13, E5, the total is 18, and R, and it says REM for your REM sleep, or mare means oceans in English. 5, 1, and 3, these numbers together spell A-C-E for the ace. 33, 15, and 12. These are the reasons that next year, 2014 to 2015, are the moving of the ocean and the reconnection of somehow with the moon, with the understanding of how the moon works. So now what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to numbercate orange, which is OR, which is 33, A and N, which is plus 15, and G and E, which is plus 12, 33, 48, 58, excuse me, it's 60. I made a mistake by 1, and that's the number of moons there used to be on Saturn, and now there's 61. The other thing I was gonna say about this, I just have to say one more thing. I'm trying to remember. You see, I'm ruining the whole video by stalling right now. Oh yes, 1 plus 14, because 1 times 4 and 1 plus 4 creates 9. With 1 it creates 10. But 1 plus 14 equals the 15 ball and pool, and one of the reasons we have a 8 ball all the way to 15 ball, which is number 35, 3 by 5 and 3 plus 5, equal the 8 and 15, and number 23. The same time I just showed you that the orange ball is the 5 and 13, and it spells the REM, or the mother, or the movements of the ocean. Now I'm going to do this on a larger scale with pool balls and their colors based on time and certain specific numbers, because if you do all the numbers, I'd just be explaining to you what all science is explaining to you with nothing to back it up. I back it up with games people play, the games people created from the mind of every man, woman, and child that has ever played the game on this earth. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Have a good fast. Thank you. Let me just remind you of one thing. Whether Jew or Gentile, whether tall or short or fat and skinny, one with a good heart is one good heart. And you are thee, and thee is we. And these are the only we's that we can have, because with the sunshine and the M13, it says me, I, and us. Thank you.